Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, so I am bringing what I like to call a passion spring twist tutorial for you today. If you are new here, welcome. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you do not miss another video. I'd also like to thank Beyond Beauty for sending me this spring twist hair to do this tutorial. Thank you, Beyond Beauty. Okay, this is what the hair looks like. It is the spring twist and it came with 3 of these bundles. I personally like to separate the hair in advance, so I am separating each strand 2 at a time for each of the individual twists that I'm going to do. The rack that I like to use to separate the hair ahead of time, and I got this rack from Amazon. To keep this video from being extremely long, I have most of my head already done and I just have this little small section remaining to do. Okay, so I'm starting by sectioning the hair, making sure everything is even, and I like to work the individual twists in about 1-inch sections. So I'm starting by taking my infinity water bottle and misting the hair a little bit, and then adding some of my creamy oil moisturizing hair lotion, followed by my Cream of Nature argan oil treatments. Now, if you've seen any of my other protective hairstyle videos, you know that I am a huge fan of making sure your hair is extremely moisturized before styling. So now I'm going to start by braiding my hair with the spring twist hair, creating the 3 sections that I need, my hair being the 3rd section with the other 2 ends of the crochet hair being the other 2 sections. And just begin braiding, and you only need to braid maybe about 5 to 7 times, and then I'm going to clamp that hair with an alligator clamp so that it does not continue twisting when I begin twisting. I'm going to take my hair and separate my hair in half with the 2 other pieces of passion twist hair and begin twisting all the way down to the end. And then I have some got to be glued gel in the black bottle that I am just, continuously adding to my fingers to keep the hair frizz-free and tight and together. Now, the closer you get to the ends, you may have to do some finger detangling so that the hair does not get all jumbled up. Now I'm going to repeat this same process one more time without talking through it, but you can just watch the very same steps one more time to see exactly what I'm doing. So now I am done with all of my twists, and in the spirit of making sure your hair is moisturized, now I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp using my Jamaican black castor oil. And I like to use an applicator bottle because of course it's easier to apply. Okay, so now I'm going to follow that up with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. And I just like to spray this all over my head to try to tame it a little more, get rid of any frizzes. It just makes it nice and neat, a nice and neat finish. And you can clearly tell that I am a huge fan of the Cream of Nature Argan Oil hair product line. Absolutely love it. Okay, so now it's time to tame my rebellious edges that I always say. And I'm using my Gorilla Snot gel because this gel keeps my edges laid all day long. Now, in order for them to be tamed all day, it is an absolute must that I tie them down for at least 5 minutes. Alright, so this is what I thought was going to be the end of the video until... Alright, y'all, so it is later in the day, and I decided that I wanted to curl the ends of these twists just for something different. I felt like I've done these kind of twists several times, but I've never gone and curled the ends. So I'm going to curl, as you can see, I've already curled most of them. So I'm going to curl the rest of these, soak them in some boiling water to give me my good curly ends that I'm looking for, and a shorter version of this style. I really was expecting this style I wanted a short version of this style. And as you can see, when I finished, they were a little longer than I wanted them to be. So I feel like me curling them is going to give me my shorter effect, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's do it. It just won't stop, goes by, do, yeah. And then my heart goes by, do, it just won't stop, go head over heels in love, right in front of you, ain't gotta look no more, baby. I wanna build this love, and everything you want, you ain't gotta ask for. You got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Told you from the jump, I don't wanna choose ya. You got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Pull me by the waist, let me pull me closer. Okay, so now I'm going to dip these rods into some hot boiling water, a few at a time, and hold it in there for about 7 to 10 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to remove these rods, but I realized I probably should let them sit just a little longer. Wah, wah, wah. I didn't get that tight curl I was looking for, but, you know, it gave me some kind of curl. You know, sometimes it's just trial and error, y'all. But I still enjoy the outcome and think that they came out very pretty. Well, that concludes this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed if you are not. Hit that notification bell. Leave me in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, y'all.